What's going on, guys? I wish you all a happy new year, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a firework effect using only CSS. So here you have fireworks and then a 12 explosion classes. Alright, so that's it for the HTML file, and I've also linked the HTML to the CSS to the HTML. Also, I have given the body a margin and padding to 0, height 100 px, and display place and all that stuff, and a background color of this dark blue. There we go. Now, and the fireworks have a position relative. So let's move on to the explosions. And give it a height of let's say 100 pixels, maybe 200, and width of 4 pixels, and then a background color to see it, a blue, maybe not teal, actually blue, right? This blue might be okay. It doesn't matter, it's just for seeing that your element is there. And let's just see. There you go, it's there. Let me just zoom it so you guys can see it actually. Good. Also Control B, there you go. That's perfect. And let's just do one more thing. Alright, now we need to do this explosion nth child thing. So we need each of this child. So this is considered as a child, so it's a first child, and this second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So this is done for the ease of use. So you don't want to write explosion 1, 2 like that here. So it makes it easy. So n child 1, and then you can do whatever you want with that specific child. So this one will only be applied to this explosion only. So I've already done it and copy pasted it. As you can see, it's really big, like so much. So here I have till 12, so I correctly have 12 explosion gives here. So it's just a transform and then rotate 0 degree, and then it increases with 30 degrees, so 30, 60, 90, 120, and also I translate negative, which I will tell you why I did further on the video. So let's just see it. Alright, and position absolute, there we go. Now it's perfectly like a circle, a star maybe. There we go. That's why I use rotate in each of the nth child. Alright. Now next thing we need to do is to give it a after class or before class. After and before works the same, only the position changes. So I'm just gonna use before. Let's just say content temp, and it's gonna be empty, and height is gonna be 10 pixels, and background color is gonna be maybe yellow. Save it, and doesn't appear. Position absolute. Alright, now percent right 0 left 0. Okay. All right, there you go. There seems to be a problem. All right, there you go. So you can see it perfectly, and the reason why I put right and left here is to just align it. Actually, it is there, but we cannot see it due to the alignment issues. So when I do the right and left, it correctly aligns with this. Alright, now maybe I can show you why I did it. Well, anyway, let's just move. I hope you guys understood that, or if you didn't get it, don't worry, it's normal. I will link you to a before page that you can go check out and know more details about why the before class and after class is used. Alright, now we can just increase the height of this. Alright, now the animation part. At keyframes, boom, just for the ease of use, I'm gonna give 0% is gonna be translate, transform, translate, not transform actually, top 100 degrees, and then when it's 100% of the animation, top should be negative 100%. So here I'm gonna give it a top of 100%. Alright, 50. So the starting will be 50, and the ending will be negative 100, negative 50. Alright, let's just put an animation here. So animation name is boom, 2 seconds infinite. Just checking if it was recording. Alright, there you go, it's working great, but we don't need this blue stuff anymore. So let me just control and slash, there you go. Alright, now it's shaping up to something, and we need to give it a overflow hidden. Alright, now it's looking like a explosion. And let me just show you, there you go. It's actually not going through any of this, so it won't go after this, it will be related to its parent. So give back the slash, and there you go, there is an explosion. And you can increase the amount of fireworks here and give it an ID so that you can have many fireworks. So I will put the final code with many explosions in my code pen, but that's it for this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope this year will be much better. You know, we are recovering from the COVID situation, but anyway, that's it for this video. I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, goodbye.